Yes, it's that time. It's Special Assembly, this week starring Mr. Bennett.
Good morning, everybody. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Welcome to today's celebration assembly. The teachers have been looking at your work on Purple Mash, on Twitter, or by email, and they've picked out some of the things that they think are worthy of significant achievements this week. So we'll hear from your teachers in just a moment. This week's prayer is coming from Yamina and Hanif, so thank you very much to them. And if you'd like to do a prayer, then please do record yourself and send it to us, and we'll try to include it in one of our assemblies. Thank you for that. Okay, over to you, Miss Blake.
Thank you, Mr. Bennett, and good morning, everyone. So, my nursery nominations for this week. Firstly, it goes to Taya for a great piece of writing on matching animals with their offspring. Secondly, to Amira for her piece of work on thinking about different words she could use to describe a lion. Yes, they are strong and they can be a bit scary, all right. And lastly, to Bonnie for her great piece of work on telling me all about her favourite toy. So well done to all three of those children. You did some great work, and I'm really impressed with all the challenges that you all are doing. So take care, and now over to Mrs. Wright.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Miss Blake. These are the nominations for certificate achievements this week. Ariana, for showing good improvement in your writing. You have put in a lot of effort into your work and wrote such a lovely sentence. Keep up the good work, Ariana. Daniel, for working very hard and learning all about spring. You created such a beautiful collage by collecting leaves. Well done. Ikra, for showing such amazing work, both online and offline. Your drawings are very detailed and colourful. Keep up the fantastic work you're doing this year. Also, butterflies, I'd like to mention library on a Friday. It would be lovely to see you to come and choose a book and we could have a little chat together. Over to you, Miss Ali.
Thank you, Miss Wright. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good to see you all again. Welcome to another special assembly. This week's nominations for significant achievements are for Fires and Anabia for their brilliant instruction writing on how to make a sandwich. You both drew your favourite sandwiches, listed the ingredients needed, and then used verbs and conjunctions to write your sentences. And very delicious looking sandwiches, by the way, good pictures as well. And also to Brian for his great description on what makes a good friend. You listed lots of different characteristics, Brian, so well done for that. That's it for this week, and I will see you all soon. Until then, stay safe, and it's now over to Mr. Thompson. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss Ali. Now on to year 2. Another week where you've all been working so hard. Really enjoying all the emails that you're sending in, showing off the fantastic things that you've been doing. This week, our significant achievement awards go to Molino for his wonderful descriptive story called The Hidden Island. There was volcanoes, there was pirates, and there was even a shark. Then we have Yahya, who was also doing some describing, but his was a story called Up Ahead, and he was talking about the seaside, and there was even someone playing with a kite. Really enjoyed reading that, Yahya. And finally we have Alia, who's been very busy doing all kinds of things, but this week particularly I enjoyed the story she wrote that started with Slowly I Opened the Envelope. She wrote a brilliant story and she made her own envelope, which was great to see. I hope you all have a lovely week. Now on to Mr. Cush.
Well, thank you, Mr. Thompson, and good morning, St. Paul's. It's so good to be with you all today on this wonderful Tuesday morning. And today I would like to take some time to celebrate children who have been spending a lot of time and putting a lot of effort into their written tasks on Purple Mash. So today I would like to nominate Kobe for a well-written and informative description of what happens during spring. I'd also like to nominate Sadaf and Sophia for 2 fabulous written posters about why, when and how we should wash our hands. Now I hand over to Mr. John.
Thank you, Mr. Cush, and good morning, St. Paul's. This week's significant achievements for Year 4 are Alice and Ariane for their fact files on Egyptian gods and goddesses. They both include incredible pictures and well-researched facts. Well done to the both of you. And finally, we have Yassir for his junk model of a jet. He included a working propeller that he set up himself using electrical equipment. It's fantastic, Yassir. Well done. Keep up the hard work and well done. Over to Miss O'Reilly.
Thank you, Mr. John. Hi, everyone. Now it's time for Year 5 significant achievements this week. First, we've got Tanvir. Tanvir, you started using words like and, then, and because to join simple sentences when you were reading the story Little Red. Excellent work, Tanvir. Next is Lacey. For working so hard on improving your spellings, you've been getting full marks in all of your spelling quizzes. I've been really impressed. And similarly, Yahya, for your excellent work on your maths. It's been so impressive seeing you constantly getting full marks as well. So I'm really impressed. Keep it up, Year 5, and I hope to see you soon. Now it's over to Mr. Bellflower.
Thank you very much, Miss O'Reilly. So as for Year 6, as usual, tough decision with so much quality work going on, but I've chosen, first of all, Daniela. Daniela has done some fantastic work the last few weeks, but in particular, she did some great work in maths around angles, and as you'll see, she got 9 out of 9 correct. My second person I'm choosing is Taiba. Taiba puts so much effort into her work, and as you'll see right now, she's done some brilliant work all around adaptation of animals in a certain environment. So well done, Taiba. And finally, I think she's had has had a shout out once before, but Mari, who's done some fantastic work, even when she's had really bad toothache going on. So well done, Mari. Check out Mari's work that she did. So another shout out I would like to give out as well to Armin, who's produced some really quality work since the start of the lockdown as well. So keep sending your work in, keep doing it online. Let's get as many people on Purple Mash as possible. Thank you very much.
Praise be to God the Most High. Thank you for our blessings. Give us strength and happiness in this time of difficulty. Amen. Amen. We wanted to wish